This is an iPad navigation parent tutorial for Kinder and 1st grade. Working with interactive Google Slides. I'm going to open Google Classroom. Now I'm going to select the classroom I'm going to enter. At the bottom of the page, I'm going to select classwork. Now I'm going to look for the assignment. I see the assignment and I'm going to select it. Here it says I need to read each word and listen for the short vowel and decide if it has a short A or short U sound and drag the word to the correct column. I don't see the chart, but at the bottom of the page it says your work with an up arrow. I'm going to select the up arrow. Now I can see the assignment. I'm going to select the assignment. Here it says I need to drag the words to the correct spot, but I don't see any words to drag. So I'm going to open up the Google Slides. Now I can see the words. This is where I read the words and drag the word to the correct place on the chart. Sad, mat, tab, cup. I would continue to read the word, select the word, and drag it to the correct column. I would do the same thing on the second chart. When I'm done, I select Classroom at the top left of the page. Select the X at the top left and select Turn In. It says one attachment will be submitted. Select Turn In. Your teacher will see the changes that you have made. And at the bottom it says the assignment has been turned in. Touch the down arrow at the top of the page. Use the back arrow at the top left. And now you're back in the classwork page. Drawing tools with Google Slides. Now I'm going to choose my next assignment. I'm going to choose Pat's Lunch word work. It says here I need to touch each tile and say the word. Blend the word and read it. Write the word. I don't see the work here, but at the bottom of the page it says your work with an up arrow. I'm going to select the up arrow. Now I can see the work. I'm going to click on the assignment. Here it says I need to tap each letter tile and say the sound, blend the sounds together, and write the words. Say each letter sound, write the letters on the line to make the word. I know I don't have to drag anything, but I do have to write on it. So I'm going to click the pencil at the top right so I can write on the slide. I see the directions and I'm going to click the arrow on the right. Now I'm going to get started. Quit, quit, quit. And now I'm going to touch the arrow on the right. Dish, 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 dish. Lamp. Lamp. Cup. Cup. I'm going to keep going until I'm done. Once I'm done, I select Save at the top right of the page. You can see that the slide is saving to a PDF file. Now I'm going to select the X at the top left, and I can see that the file I saved is attached. Now I'm going to select Turn In. It says 2 attachments will be submitted. Select Turn In. At the bottom of the page, I can see that my assignment has been turned in. I'm going to touch the arrow at the top and the back arrow at the top left. And now I'm back on the classwork page. Using Pear Deck in a Google Meet. I'm going to show you how to get onto a Google Meet and use a Pear Deck with your teacher. We're here inside Google Classroom. On the top right, select the video camera. Select the blue Join button to enter the Google Meet. Now you're inside of a Google Meet. When your teacher shares with you the Pear Deck, you're going to see a link on the bottom left-hand corner of your screen. Make sure to click on the link. When you click on the link, the Messages page shows up. Click on the link in the Messages. Now you get to choose how you want to open the Pear Deck. I'm going to open it in Chrome, but you can use Chrome or Safari. Now I'll log in. I can see the Pear Deck on the screen, and I'll be able to hear my teacher giving me instructions. Make sure to follow the instructions of your teacher closely, and when you're done, return back to your Google Meet page. To return back to your Google Meet page, select Meet with the arrow at the top left corner. You're back on the Messages page. Click the X at the top left. Now you're back in the Meet session. If you ever want to go back into a Pear Deck or you missed the link on the bottom left, click the three dots at the center of the screen. Then click In Call Messages. This will show you the link again so you can enter into the Pear Deck. Click the X at the top left to go back into the Meet. When you're done with the meeting, end the call.